Hello friends. So in our last lecture we have discussed about access layer, core layer and distribution layer. Like we have discussed about two-tier architecture and three-tier architecture. In access layer, distribution layer and core layer we have discussed about so many things. Now I want to let you know about the new technology, new network topology architecture which is known as spine and leaf architecture. Spine leaf architecture. So in this, first of all, I need to delete this cable, these devices, and I just want to show that spine leaf architecture, spine leaf. So in spine leaf architecture, what we can do, actually in core and access layer and distribution layer, devices are connected like access to distribution, distribution to core. In spine leaf architecture, spine leaf, each and every device is directly connected to each other. Like we have to connect these two switches, three switches are also with each other. Like when R3 is connected to switch 1, R4 is connected to switch 2, switch 5, and these are also directly connected with each other. Now access layer actually known as leaf, and now we are not saying it as a distribution layer, we will write it as spine. So this is known as spine leaf architecture. It is consist of two layer, leaf layer and spine layer. In this topology, each and every device is directly connected with each other. We call this as a switch fabric. Okay, so in this design, access layer is known as leaf layer and distribution is known as spine layer. Actually, why we use this architecture? Actually, we access with the core layer, distribution layer and access layer. So distribution layer is basically used for VLAN, inter VLAN and so many things. Actually, for example, we have one switch has 4 uplinks. Each link has your 100 Gbps connection. Okay, so if 4 connections are connected with each other, then it will provide you 400 Gbps uplink bandwidth. It is used for uplink bandwidth. Like if we are consuming 100 Gbps connection here and we have four leaves, each leaves have 4 uplinks, then it will provide us 400 Gbps connection. Okay, so this is the benefit of spine and leaf. Actually this topology is taken from core, distribution and access layer. So it is just the rephrasing of the name. Thank you so much.